Good afternoon. Actually, we got one positive case. Everybody knows already. In Kankalpeta, 12-year boy. But it's a good news that all primary contacts came negative. His grandparents as well as uncle, they were staying with him. So no need to be worried. This boy might be having very mild load of that virus, or maybe less. So he might be infected in that Hyderabad. After that he came here, his father dropped. We took the sample, we sent, we found positive. But he is 100% healthy, no any symptom. So again tomorrow we are sending his sample. We'll see, we hope he will be negative. So no need to worry. But I am requesting public, public, voice clear? Please understand the situation is very tough. Now use work as a police. I mean, everyone be responsible to passing the information to administration. Immediately any person is coming outside in your area, is staying, or you are finding any new person, immediately inform administration. This is the responsibility of the public. Someone is not following the protocol, not wearing the mask, sanitizer, this is the public responsibility. You ask, why are you not wearing the mask? Why are you not using the sanitizer and hand wash system? Because if you see the Kerala, why Kerala is after so many positive cases also they are safe. This is the only reason. Public policing. So please keep in mind, if you are alert, definitely you are safe. If you are not alert, definitely problem. So please, I am requesting each and everybody, please immediately inform our administration, local ASHA, ANM, hospital, control room, RA office, Jayachandran, nodal officer, anyone you can call. So this is the important message for everybody. Other than that, maintain social distancing, 6 feet distance. This is very, very useful for everybody, because you are safe, your family safe, everybody is safe. So maintain this social distancing. Use 100% mask if you are going outside, you are in crowd, as well as sanitizer you keep with you. So these are the important. Regarding the containment zone Kankalpeta, yes, I got some complaint that some essential commodity supply is not there. So these are the person. He is the VAO or Revenue Inspector Janki Nathan, Janki Ramaiya, 9247150399. He is having 2 MTS with him. One is the Satyanarayan 9959674964. Another is the Trinath Rao 8121888207. Note down these numbers. You call these numbers. Any essential food or any commodity required, they will supply in containment zone area, especially Kankalpeta. Remaining things we are taking care. And those all 4 persons, that boy is in hospital, confirmed ward, 3 parents, grandparents and uncle in suspect ward case. Already we took the sample, result also negative, so no need to be worried. Again we are going to take the sample, and today we are taking sample in the containment zone area. Those are the same building persons as well as other contact persons. So we are taking care everything, so no need to be worried, no need to panic, but you should be careful. This is the public responsibility. Administration, police, medical, and other staff is doing their duty properly. But what is the public duty? Again, I am repeating your responsibility that you maintain social distancing, wear the mask, wash hand regularly, use sanitization, as well as any new person you are seeing, your area immediately inform the administration. If you do public policing, 100% you will be safe. You don't depend everything on the administration. Public cooperation is a must. Without that, no administration can success. Till now we got cooperation, definitely we succeeded. This case also not belongs to Yanam. This boy from East Godavari, Maudivaram, His grandparents also same area, but they are staying in a rental house. His father dropped here because of safety. Because husband wife working there in Hyderabad, so they thought maybe they get infected, so their son will be safe in Yanam. Unluckily, he got infection there itself and came here. But we caught at the right time. Otherwise, could have been spreaded much more. So now, this is the case of the East Godavari. So Yanam is still zero. If you see Yanam case, it's coming in Yanam one case, but it will be transferred to shifted immediately in East Godavari account. So we want to again keep Yanam zero. For that, public support is must. Without that, nothing possible. So please be very much careful. Just today I got news Talareo, that prawn culture, Apex company factory, there some workers are positive. Our so many persons are going there. I requested them also be careful. Again now we are tracing them. After tracing we will make them quarantine and we will test their sample also. So wherever you are working, I am not saying that you don't work, because livelihood is important, but you should be very much careful, because if you are not safe, definitely your family and everybody will affect. So role of the public is very, very important, equally important as administration. Please be very much careful. Don't spread unnecessary rumor. So many persons spreading rumors. Okay, 3 positive, 10 positive, or this happening, that happening. No. If I will find, I will take serious action. Spreading rumor also is a crime. Please be careful. Support to the administration. And I am requesting you now again. I am requesting, is a very, very tough time. Next 2-3 months is very, very tough. You should be very careful. You see Pondicherry, what is happening now? It is almost community spread. Leave Delhi or Mumbai. See Pondicherry or Pondicherry. So don't make Yanam like this. Be very much careful. If public is not serious, 100% we will